Now, if you're somebody that's really worried about keeping your money safe, especially in the cryptocurrency world, then this video is going to be one you definitely want to pay attention to. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be breaking down the security of your assets so that you can transition into active crypto trading without fear. My name is Sean Kozak, founder of NSTA, and for the world's best trading education and strategies, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so that every time we put out content like this, you can get results. Last but not least, give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a very, very important discussion, especially amongst those active traders in our community. The main thing about money is we want to make sure that it's secure and safe. Unlike stocks and options and futures and Forex, cryptocurrency is a digital asset. And so therefore there's different steps in regards to opening up accounts and protecting the wallet so that you know how to trade cryptos like a professional. Let's get started. We're going to talk about digital wallets and everything you need to know between warm and cold storage, so that way you are familiar with the terms and you understand the purpose of a digital wallet. We're going to talk about the use of a crypto key and how you never want to lose this moving forward. The safety of funds is always a major discussion amongst market participants. It doesn't matter if you're trading cryptocurrencies or other assets, but you definitely want to understand the safety of your money with cryptocurrencies because it is a lot different than the stock market. We're also going to talk about the goals for your wallets with regards to warm and cold storage and why you need one versus the other, what the purpose are, and how you can use both to your advantage. And then we're going to give you a list of all the ways in which you can position yourself by using the top wallets. This is a constantly changing environment. Technology is always being updated. So we want to make sure that you're always aware of the best tools moving forward so that you're not using something that's outdated and you're always using the best platforms, the best tools, the best keys, and the best wallets for crypto trading. So rest assured, it sounds like a lot, definitely is. My job is to keep it super simple. Let's jump onto the charts and get you started. Okay, traders, in this video, we're going to be breaking down Cryptocurrency Explained Part 6, where we talk about digital wallets. And this is a really important discussion, mainly because, you know, when you're setting up your cryptocurrency, there's different ways in which you store your cryptocurrency for you to be able to use it, right? And it's no different than having a bank account or an actual physical card holder or a wallet for regular fiat money. You know, you need to think about how are you going to actually store and manage your cryptocurrency. And so if you're trying to figure that out, this is definitely going to be the video to pay attention to, because no different than setting up the accounts and having the platforms ready, you still need to have the ability to store cryptocurrency. So the agenda here is we're going to talk about what a digital wallet is, public versus private keys, the different types of wallets, keeping your funds safe, the goals for the different wallets, the recommended wallets, and that's it. So we're gonna go there. So that's the recommended wallets. So let's talk about what a digital wallet is. It's the definition here is it's a place to keep your coins and your tokens. Essentially, it's like a wallet, right? The technical definition is it's a software program that stores your private and public security keys, and they come in pairs. So whenever you get a key, you get a private and a public. And it enables you to send and receive coins through the blockchain. So as well as keep an eye on your balance. So whenever you get a wallet, you get a private and a public key, and it allows you to be able to send and receive coins on the blockchain network. And that way you can always check how many coins you have in your wallet. So it's very similar to a kind of a bank account in a wallet, so to speak, but it's just done through the crypto environment, right? So it's called a digital wallet. And let's talk about the difference between a public and a private key. So public keys are made available to everyone via publicly accessible repository or directory. And it's connected to your private key by mathematical equations and can be changed after every use for most wallets. So basically, you can change your public key on a regular basis. The private key is confidential to the owner of the wallet. It's a decrypted public key, and it allows connection to the blockchain, right? It's very, very important to know the difference. So you're going to have a public key and a private key for use in using cryptocurrency when you're using it for paying for things or for, you know, holding your cryptos in a safe and secure place. So let's talk about the difference between hot versus cold storage. Hot wallet storage is connected to the internet. It's easy to use. It is vulnerable to hacking. It's no different than a bank account is. Like a bank account's vulnerable to hacking. Your bank card, your visas, those are all vulnerable to hacking. But think of it, the hot wallet is like a bank card. That's the way that I look at this is your hot wallet is like a bank card, better to use for daily use. And then your cold storage wallet, this is completely disconnected from the internet. It's harder to access, it's hacker proof, better for long-term storage. I want you to think like a safe. Like we have a safe, you put, your most important things in it, and that's what you want to do, right? And because a bank account, the difference here is that, with fiat money, you could put your money into the bank account, but it's not really safe technically. You're insured to some degree with certain banks, but it's never really truly safe. It's there and it's always there. The bank card is always at risk of being hacked or getting your money stolen or fraudulent activity. But a cold wallet storage is like a safe in your house, right? But it's technically stored in an encrypted wallet that allows you to protect your crypto, okay, and your coins. So let's talk about the pros and cons about exchanges and storage. So the pros is it's easy to work with, multiple currencies, and you can use it for active trading. The cons is that it is prone to hackability, lack of control, and fees, right? And this is to do with exchanges and storage. So like if you're going to store your cryptocurrency on an exchange and you're going to store it, like let's say on a trading platform, that sort of thing, right? It's easy to work with. You can trade it. You have multiple access to currencies, etc. But it is susceptible to hackers and lack of control and fees. But that's no different. Like I don't want you to be afraid of this. I just think we have to tell you the good and the bad of everything. But it's no different than having your money in a brokerage account. It's no different than having fiat money in a trading broker. It's anything can happen, right? You could easily lose your money. The broker could go insolvent or, that type of stuff. And that's why we deal with the big guys. That's why we deal with the more professional platforms and the more professional environments, because you don't have to really worry about this stuff so much, right? And that's the point. So let's talk about wallets and storage. A wallet, the pro is it's portable and you're always in control. And the downside is you definitely could get your wallet hacked or scams depending on if it's warm or cold, right? If it's warm storage or cold storage wallets. So let's talk about the different types of wallets. So there's a desktop wallets, and these can be downloaded or installed on your computer. There's an online wallet which runs on the cloud, and they're accessible from any computing device. There's a mobile wallet, runs on an app on your phone, and you're useful because they can be used anywhere, including stores. And then there's a hardware wallet, and the wallets differ from software wallets in that they store a user's private keys on a hardware device like a USB. And so there's different types of wallets, right? And it depends on your preference. It depends on which one you want to use. I want to talk a little bit about keeping your wallets secure. You want to make sure that when you do have a wallet, you always protect your username and passwords. No different than your bank card, no different than your social insurance number, anything of the nature. You want to change your public keys after every use, right? So whenever you use your wallet, you want to change the public key. You want to double check the website URLs before entering credentials. So you definitely want to check the websites you're on. You don't want to be entering cryptocurrency information on a website that you may or may not know is actually a website, like, a fraudulent site that's just trying to hack you. But 9 times out of 10, if you're on a reputable website like we are, looking at TradingView or the, GDAX websites or these, Gemini, these are not fake websites. These are very, very well-known websites. So just make sure you check the website you're on before you put it's no different than logging into a bank account online. You want to make sure you're actually on the bank website, not a fake bank website, which they have them, right? So you want to back up your wallet regularly. You want to update your wallet software, and you can use 2-factor authentication and check reputations and reviews for wallets. And we've got some information on this. We're going to talk about the goals for different wallets. We're going to talk about the different types of wallets. And the main thing here is you want a physical wallet to be secure. If you look at what type of wallet's used for what, the physical wallet is used for security. So if you're holding cryptocurrency in a cold storage physical wallet, it's for cold storage, right? It's like having a safe. It's secure. Your cryptos are secure. The desktop is for convenience. So if you want to have cryptocurrency and you're purchasing things, you're using it to buy things, conveniently. ICO wallets, those are for ultimately for ERC20 protocols for like contracts working on Ethereum for business, anything of that nature. And then there's a trading wallet like exchange wallets. So you want to basically open up your trading accounts and have your cryptocurrency trading accounts. And so normally what a lot of people do is they normally have their trading account and then they have their physical wallet or their desktop wallet, right? So if you were to look at the two, to get set up as a crypto trader, you're going to have a trading exchange wallet and a physical wallet as well. Okay. So recommended wallets, a couple of them are pretty good. You've got Trezor, you've got Ledger. This is examples of cold storage wallets. They look like a USB, right? These are, these are definitely important. I do want to give you a website. You can go and take a look at this. I felt that it was actually important to check this out. And I felt that it'd be good for the discussions here. And, Investopedia, good old Investopedia, they've done a pretty good job of helping the new guys out and understanding the best wallets. So if you want to go and just get a wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet, you could go here to Best Bitcoin Wallets of 2020. And, these are, you can see cold wallets, hot wallets, hardware wallets for large numbers, these types of stuff. And then it breaks it down, right? It talks about the pros and cons of each of them. So I felt it was just really, really intuitive. It was really, really well done by these guys. And I just want to point you in the right direction of, getting set up with, it'd be like me trying to tell you which bank to go and bank with. It doesn't really make sense for me to do that. You can check which bank you want to use and you set it up. Right, but you definitely want to have the wallets set up, and then you can definitely have, this is for more of the hot and cold wallets, and then ultimately you can then set up your cryptocurrency trading wallet for the exchanges, right? Because you're going to need to do that. So a couple desktop wallets, Jax or Exodius. This is also on that website, Exodius as well. And it's just a good place. It's like having an online bank account, really. It's just a place to store your cryptocurrencies, right? And you get these security scans, you get your coin, and you could put your different types of cryptocurrency in them. You can use them, facilitate business. You can use them to buy or sell things. You could use them to trade with. You can fund your trading accounts with them. I mean, it's just, you need a wallet, right? If you're going to trade cryptocurrencies, you need a wallet, and you need to use the ones that are being well known. So check out the website, investopedia.com, best crypto or best Bitcoin wallets. So if you want that URL, I'll just show you here. It's just Google Investopedia best Bitcoin wallets, right? Real simple, real easy, and you'll be good to go. So let's talk a little bit about recommended online wallets. Coinbase, my Ether wallet, blockchain info, right? Coinbase is like GDAX, Ether wallet. These are just different online wallets if you want to use them. Just depends on if you want to use them. But I still think that if you're just going to be trading cryptocurrencies, then having a cold storage and then having an exchange wallet is ample. How can you spend them? This is something that a lot of people want to know: is how do you spend cryptocurrencies? Well, ultimately, when you have a phone, you can have a code. You can send them to an exchange using the codes, using the crypto keys. You can scan your QR codes. You can copy and paste the address. You can type the address in. But a good example is if you have, like, let's say cold storage, or if you have an online account, like an online storage, and you fund your cryptocurrencies that way, then essentially what ends up happening is you can then transfer your cryptos from, let's say, your cold storage to TradingView's Gemini accounts or Coinbase or Poloniex or any of the trading platforms. So the main thing is you want to be able to get crypto, exchange crypto, put it in some cold storage, and then use that cold storage to put it into your other platforms, right? It's always good. It's like having your safe and then putting your money into the different things you need it to, right? So if you have any questions on the crypto wallets getting set up, let us know. It's a great segue into the trading and investing lesson that's coming next. And if you need any assistance or you have any questions, let us know. And if you find that you're having difficulty with getting a wallet or picking the right platform or exchanges or anything like that, just take a deep breath and send us an email, and we'll definitely jump on an email with you or a call or a screen share, and we'll get you set up, and we'll help you out. We'll help you out through that process, right? So take care, traders, and we'll see you in the next video. Welcome back, traders. And now that you know everything about getting started with a crypto wallet, getting your security of your cash, and making sure that your keys are locked and loaded, Make sure you check out the videos below so that you don't miss out on the other valuable content in the crypto series. Also hit that subscribe button and make sure you share this video with a friend so they can also get results like you. If you have questions, you can leave them below, especially leave a comment. That way we can get social with you moving forward. Traders, we'll see you in the next video.